Hello everyone. So today in this video I will discuss the science final exam review for term 3. So in the exam 15 multiple choice questions will be included and each one of them is worth 4 marks as well as 5 free response questions and each one is worth 8 marks. So I will go with you grade 4 through some of the review questions, obviously not all of them because we have no time, but I will go through the main ones of them, so please focus with me, okay? So for the first two lesson objectives, which are to identify different forms of non-renewable and renewable resources, you have to be able to classify energy sources into renewable and non-renewable resources. You have to know, okay, the difference between the two of them. We have 5 renewable resources and we have 5 non-renewable resources. Let's do them together. So nuclear power, we know that it is non-renewable resource, and remember always non-renewable they cannot be replaced، ما راح تتجدد، هي غير متجددة. Renewable resources they can be replaced quickly in nature، راح تتجدد في الطبيعة. Okay. Nuclear power non-renewable resource because it cannot be replaced. Hydroelectric power B, which is hydropower, we call it hydropower, right, or hydroelectric power, that comes from moving water. We know that water is renewable, right? يتجدد الماء، صح ولا لا؟ إذا it is renewable resource. We have here fossil fuels, and we know that fossil fuels are what? Are oil, coal, and natural gas, and all of these C, D, E, F are non-renewable resources. Okay, we know that oil, natural gas, and coal, they are non-renewable resources. They will finish someday. Okay, so they are non-renewable resource. Biomass, it comes from living things like plants, crops, wood, right, animal waste, and we know that all of these are what are renewable resources because they can be replaced. يتجددون النباتات الحيوانات، صح ولا لا؟ إذا they are renewable resources. Wind power, it comes from wind, and we know that wind is renewable. يتجدد الرياح، صح ولا لا؟ إذا we will put it here in renewable resource. Geothermal energy, it comes from the heat that comes from inside the earth, and it is also a renewable resource because it can be replaced quickly in nature, as well as solar power that comes from the sunlight. Okay, and we know that sunlight, it can be replaced daily, right? So it is what? It is renewable resource. Okay, it's very important to know the difference between the two of them and to be able to classify them. You have to know how to classify them. Okay, now let's see these questions. Here, for example, they are saying circle all non-renewable resources. So you have to decide which of these are non-renewable resources. We know that oil, nuclear energy, natural gas, metals, and coal, they all are non-renewable resources. While wind energy, biofuel, and hydropower,